What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is yeukai.loreen, and today I am taking you guys to our new apartment. We are literally moving in, but I decided I want to do like an empty apartment tour to show you guys the place that we are moving into. So if that is something that you are interested in, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like these. Of course, the reason why I'm doing this video is to document our journey and our experience, and also like if you are someone who is interested in like relocating to Cape Town and like, you know, just knowing what Cape Town life is like, then this will probably be the video for you. Do you want to say hi to my pumpkin? Of course you do.
Yeah. Pumpkin is here. What's up?
And the Smiley. Do you know Para? Yeah, so okay, let's get it popping. So guys, we actually live 3 floors up. 3? Yes. And we're carrying stuff. As you can see, here's Auntie. Say hi, girl. Hey. Why am I embarrassing you? Are you embarrassing yourself? Yeah. And there's my pumpkin with some other stuff. This is what I'm carrying. Let's go.
So have straight.
Okay, we have arrived. Zaid is opening the door. Alright, so guys, this is the entrance, right? When you get in, this is what you see. It's got a very high ceiling, as you guys can see. And no shoes, please. No shoes. I got these carpets cleaned yesterday. So, alright, this is what it looks like in the lounge area. And then also when you're entering in at the door, you see the kitchen. So this is our tiny little kitchen with these 2 sinks. So my previous place only had 1 sink, and this now we've got 2. And we're thinking probably the fridge will go on this section here. And this is the rest of the kitchen with the small island. This bit is where we're gonna put either the washing machine and the dishwasher on the side. And then this is the stove. We got Wi-Fi set up yesterday. And yeah, this is what it looks like in the kitchen. Let me see if I can give you guys like a full view, 360-degree view of the kitchen. Zang zang, zang zang, zang zang, zang zang. So like our stuff is all over the place, as you can see. Bags and boxes everywhere. We're still moving in, right? And this is the entryway. It's got this little extra lock here, which I really appreciate, because you can never be too safe. This is the electricity thing, right? Okay, so from the entrance, let me just give you guys a view of myself. So from the entrance now, looking this way when you're entering, then you meet the first bathroom. So this is the first bathroom with the little sink here and a mirror. And then this is the first toilet, okay? And the tub. It's got this handheld shower thingy here. And that's that. It's a sliding door. So this slides to open and to close. And that's it for the first bathroom. Oh, these cupboards are empty for now, but yeah, it does have cupboards, so I'm thinking probably guest towels and stuff. Ooh, will go in there. And then first bedroom is this one. So all the bedrooms are carpeted, right? So this is the first bedroom. The ceilings are quite high, so yeah. And this is the view from the bedroom window for the first bedroom. We're thinking of using this as like our office, since we both work from home. It's got plenty of cupboard space, as you guys can see. and then it's got this demarcation here because then we'll be going upstairs from here. It also has a carpet, and yeah, hey, these carpets, I hope they won't give me a headache as far as maintaining them. All right, then we have stairs going up to the main bedroom. As you can see, the girls.
Let me show you.
The girl is here. And
welcome to my mansion.
Yes, Zaidi.
Yes. So this is the master bedroom.
Wait, Zaidi. Okay, so I want them to see like from the lounge and stuff. So yeah, that's the view that we have on the other side. Oh, okay. Sianyuka. Nango Zaidi, you can hold the camera.
No, you can come.
Is it?
You can come. Welcome to the master bedroom. This is where the magic will be happening. I mean, of course, it will be happening in either of the rooms, but.
Zaidi.
And we have one of your view here. Can you see the mountain?
Alright, let's see if we can. Yes, we can see the mountain.
Yeah, one of your view here, one of them sleeping.
Plenty of sun coming in. The room is quite small though.
Yeah, the room is small.
Because I'm thinking the moment we put the bed here, then it's full.
And the bed will be full. So you'll be actually.
Yeah, then it will be.
But it looks like there will be some space here.
So this is our storage space. I'm thinking his or hers or hers or his.
It doesn't work that way.
Which one do you want? Oh, okay, so this is hanging space.
Yeah. And then.
Oh, these are shelves.
And these are just shelves, you see?
Ah, I was hoping we could each have.
Probably my stuff will be staying in here.
Ah, then the rest is for me.
So 1, 2, 3 is mine and 1, 2.
No, pumpkin. 2 is too much for you. And then this is our bathroom in our bedroom. Alright, that's the toilet there. Guys, the person who stayed here used to smoke, I think, because it's like getting rid of the smoke. The smell is just lingering. The smell of the smoke is lingering. This is our bathroom. So I still need to work on cleaning these glass doors.
I think you said they cleaned.
They did, but I guess like they couldn't really do it, so I have to do it myself. So I had ladies cleaning yesterday, and so like you can see, I'm not quite happy with this. The one side is fine, but the other two are not that clean, so I'll have to get those done by myself. And this is the shower. These are the towels and everything. So this is our bathroom. No, baby, maybe like woman. So they were cleaning the carpet. I'm thinking when it was drying, maybe like you woman jar. But anyways,
Let's go.
this is our new crib. We need to pause for the thumbnail, pumpkin.
Now.
Yes. I don't know, maybe this is a good spot. Oh, I haven't shown them the balcony. Let me show you guys the balcony. Alright, so this is our balcony. We've got a small braai area. This is our small braai area where we can do our goch. And this is the balcony view again. It's got this small draining thing, like when you're cleaning, it drains out. So yeah, this is our new place, guys. This is where we are moving in. Pumpkin, let's take the thumbnail. We just paused for a photo. So guys, this is our new place. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't be shy to give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified every time we upload a new video. If you'd like to see more like how we decorate the place and stuff, because we still have quite an extensive list of things to buy for our new home. So if you're interested in seeing that whole journey, then let me know in the comment section. Leave any questions that you have in the comment section below. Love you so much, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.